Hello and welcome. This is a quick guide for speakers on how to use the Speaker Resource Center. The Speaker Resource Center is your one-stop hub to manage your speaker profile and your session details in one place. It's where you can upload your speaker photo and bio, confirm how your name should appear across event materials, review the sessions you're part of, and more. The purpose of the Speaker Resource Center is to keep all key speakers and session information organized in one centralized system, so we don't have to chase details by email. Step 1. Logging in. You'll receive an email invitation with a direct link to the Speaker Resource Center. We highly recommend that you bookmark this page in your browser for easy access in the future. You can also access this page via the event website by navigating to the Program menu and visiting the Key Info for Speakers page. Additionally, we also recommend using Google Chrome to avoid any technical issues. Open the link in your browser. Once the page loads, click Login in the top right corner. The portal uses two-factor authentication for security. It will first ask you to enter your name and email, then send you a verification code to authenticate. This is how you access this page each time, no password required. One important note: make sure you use the same email address your invitation was sent to, exactly how it is written, and with no additional space. If you use a different email, or if you make a mistake in entering your email, the system won't recognize you and you won't be able to log in. Click Next. Now check your inbox for a verification email with a code. Enter the code in the portal. Then click Verify. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Speaker Resource Center homepage. Step 2. Update your speaker profile. At the top of the page, you'll see the main navigation. The key pages are My Tasks, My Speaker Profile, and My Sessions. Start by navigating to My Speaker Profile to complete your speaker information. On each page of the Speaker Resource Center, you will find detailed instructions on what information our organizing team is requesting from you and how to complete it. Please ensure you read them carefully, as we won't be covering them in detail in this video. Now, click Edit to update your information. We request that you complete all the fields shown here if possible. At a minimum, please confirm your first and last names are exactly how you want them to appear on all event materials, including your name badge. Add a brief bio and upload a profile photo for the program and event app. Your email address is used as your unique identifier in this Speaker Resource Center and is linked to your invitation and registration records. For this reason, it cannot be changed directly in the portal. When you're done, click Save. If you'd like someone else to help manage your portal, you also can assign an administrator here. To do that, click Edit in the Administrator section and enter their name and email address. They'll use this same information to log in on your behalf. Then click Save. Any updates you make here sync automatically, so your information will update wherever it appears, like the event agenda, website, and app. Step 3. Review your sessions. Next, navigate to My Sessions page. On this page, you'll see the sessions you're participating in, including a list of co-presenters if you are participating in a group presentation. And on this page, you will be able to edit your session title and provide a description that will be displayed in the final program. To edit a session, click Edit. The session title and description are the only two pieces of information you can change here. All other session details are managed by the event organizers. When you're finished, click Save. Similar to the speaker profile page, any updates you make here sync automatically, so your information will update wherever it appears, like the event agenda, website, and app. Step 4. Complete your speaker tasks. Finally, navigate to My Tasks page. This page includes a checklist of the items the organizing team needs from all speakers before, during, and after the event. You can view the detailed instructions for each task by clicking the arrow to reveal the additional information. As you complete each item, please ensure you mark them off so the organizing team is informed and can provide you with additional support. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your contribution to the event. We're looking forward to seeing you there.